Lentils, spices, and a whole lot of love. That's what today's recipe is all about. Well, today's recipe literally warms the cockles of your heart. It's the recipe of a soup. It's quite a known territory, yet different. The recipe literally is Mercimek Çorbası, translated to lentil soup, Turkish lentil soup. Let's begin. Begin with olive oil. In this case, even pomace is okay, but if you can lay your hands on extra virgin, of course, nothing like it. Let's begin with garlic, some chopped celery sticks, some coriander seeds, and along with this, cumin seeds. A quick couple of stirs. We don't need to get into any kind of browning or change of color. Immediately, let's add in the rest of the ingredients. Let's move in with onions. Moving in with carrots and tomatoes. A couple of stirs and we lower the flame. While France has onion soup and Japan has miso, Turkey unofficially literally has this as its national soup. It's available in the humblest of villages to the most expensive restaurants. The next ingredient that goes in this recipe, of course, the hero, the star, lentils. And lentils in this case are the red lentils. We know them as Masoor in India. And for this specially, I'm using the Masoor Dal, which is the skinned version of the red lentils. Now what we need to do is wash it a couple of times over and soak it for a couple of hours. If you do not have hours at hand, what you can do is you can soak this in warm water for a couple of minutes. 30 at the max is just about perfect. Let's do that next. If you realize and notice, there's absolutely no browning or caramelization at this stage, any of the ingredients. Now let's add in the lentils. I've drained the water out. Let's add in salt, which of course we can adjust later. And finally, water. Let's stir this well and allow this to cook for 20 minutes on high flame till the ingredients are nice and mushy. It's been 20 minutes and the dal, if you see, is nice and soft and now good to blend. With this, let's turn the flame off and now blend this. Now there are two things to note in this recipe. One is of course the texture and the second one is the consistency. Now talking about consistency, of course you can adjust it with water and that's absolutely perfect. If you can lay your hands on vegetable broth, even better. Talking about the texture, it's nice, it's smooth, it's velvety and it's wonderfully creamy. And the creaminess, ladies and gentlemen, comes from no cream, it comes from no butter, it comes actually from lentils, it actually comes from onions, and that's the beauty of this recipe. But there's one element of taste, flavor profile in this recipe, which is again very important, and that is the garnish. Literally the chili oil, but not just any chili, it's the Aleppo pepper oil, which is made with garlic. Now, by any chance, if you cannot lay your hands on the Aleppo pepper, which literally has a smoky raisin-like taste and flavor, you can use smoked paprika, you can use red chili powder, and go all out. But the idea is to make this recipe. Let's heat a fry pan and add in olive oil. Let's add in the garlic that we had kept aside. Just fry that lightly. And before again it begins to change the color, we'll add in the Aleppo pepper. And immediately with this, off goes the flame. If you notice, it now kind of releases its color and flavor. And now it also kind of releases its wonderfully smoky raisin-like aroma. And before the chili garlic oil actually goes into the soup, one lovely squish of lime, which kind of cuts and balances all the creaminess in this recipe. And now this is ready to be served. Just before serving, you also kind of pour in, you drizzle the Aleppo pepper and garlic oil, which takes it to some other level. As they say, the old adage, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade out of it. In India, when life gives you lentils, you end up making a dal. But henceforth, I also want you to think about this recipe, which is a Turkish lentil soup. Make this for your family, make this for your friends, and warm them from within. This is me, Varun Inamdar, signing off. Bye for now.